Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X60 Pro and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So first of all, let me show you the quickest way to check those numbers, and then I'll show you the second way using the settings. Let's begin with opening the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way to check those numbers if for some reason the secret code won't work. So we have to enter the settings. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone, and here we have to find the status. And as you can see, after scrolling down a little bit, we can check the IMEI number, which is right here, actually both IMEI numbers. And if we would like to check the serial number, we have to go back and tap on Software Information. After scrolling down, actually we do not have to scroll down, because on the third position we've got the serial number of this device. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.